Okay, so as you've seen, we started Project 1 this week, and the aim of the project is to answer a driving question. And this question is, how can we create or design innovating brochures to promote tourism in your area? And so as we started, we asked you to analyze different brochures so as to get to know which elements they have and what kind of information they contain. Remember that the final product in this project is that you create your own brochures. So we started by reading different samples. These are some of the samples, but some of them are different, but it's okay because they are useful anyway. And once we analyze them, we ask you to identify the elements in the brochure. And so we found out, as we observed them, that brochures start with a grabbing title, headings, yes? This should generally be something very quick and to the point, so do not try to be clever here, just flat out describe the attraction. For example, don't miss Houston's #1 space shuttle attraction. Best kayak tour in Austin. Brochures also include fun details, like details that will make people want to put you on their itinerary. We've been rated the top attraction in Austin by Time magazine. Parents tell us they've never seen their kids so excited to see a zoo. Apart from this, we can also find testimonials in brochures. These are quotes about your service, about your product, from your happy customers. Like, 2 years later and our kids are still talking about the airboat ride. Oh, I tell every friend who comes in town to do the Auckland bungee jump. They also include call to action, like make sure people know what to do next after seeing your brochure. What do you want them to do? Book before 11 a.m. each day to ensure a seat on the bus, call. Book right now by calling, and we'll send a free shuttle to pick you up. Call this number to set up your once-in-a-lifetime's no mobiling trip. What specific action do you want people to take from your brochure? Get people to pick up the brochure and call? Get people to email you or drive to your location or go online to buy something? Once you know which of these you want them to do, and you should only pick one primary objective, you can design your whole brochure around that. And so we ask you to do an assignment. So one of the first activities was this one, and in which you have to observe, think, and write. What does a brochure include? What type of images does it display? What information does it give? And so we could find out that brochures include descriptions, headings, titles, images, questions sometimes, data or information about the place, testimonials, call to action, contact information, and deals. What about the images? Well, the images should be interesting, colorful. They should include well-known landmarks, beautiful sceneries, icons, inviting places, and real photographs. And what about the content? What information do they give? Well, information about the location, where is the place, transportation, attractions, they could be of historical and cultural importance, activities, and interesting facts. After we analyze the elements in brochures, we also ask you to work with the vocabulary. Which words or phrases help the writer create vivid images of the place in the reader's mind? These are the powerful phrases and also the adjectives plus noun combinations. So phrases such as, no matter where you want to go, our representatives will help you find. You don't need to worry about. As part of our package, we will. Whether you have chosen, whether you're looking for, don't struggle with, Let us handle the details. These are powerful phrases or strong sentence beginnings. And some adjectives and plus nouns also, like clear water crowned by white sand, a tiny paradise, world class, fresh mountain air, small town delicacies, mountain tops, breathtaking sights, hot springs, tiny nook, historical terraces, and many more. Yes, we will ask you to find these words in the dictionary and to be sure that you know what they mean, because then when you write your brochures, we will ask you to include them. As regards more vocabulary, well, actually brochures also include imperatives. Discover, head out, stop by, see there, enjoy, rent, find love. You can also visit. They urge the reader to do things with the destination. You can also find activities like mountain climbing, hiking, skiing, snowboarding. And more phrases, more powerful phrases like take advantage of this great offer. For those discerning few who will settle for nothing but the very best. A glass of liquid gold nectar, unspoiled beaches, freshwater pool, authentic island seafood house, exotic vacation secluded area. And more phrases like discover, few people know that, take your and you'll be able to make it the most convenient hub for, and let's not forget, well, as you see, there are plenty of examples or phrases that you can use, and also some expressions and vivid words to create descriptions in the reader's mind. This was the first week, classes 1 and 2. So if you haven't done the activities yet, well, please hand them out as fast as you can before next week. And you can include some of these descriptions, words, phrases in your activities.